SHOKZ Open Run Bone Conduction Headphones, a game changer for active lifestyles. For those who enjoy staying active, the SHOKZ Open Run Bone Conduction Sport Headphones are a must-have accessory. With their open-ear design, durable construction, and reliable performance, they cater perfectly to fitness enthusiasts and runners who value both comfort and situational awareness. Innovative open-ear design. Unlike traditional headphones, the Open Run features a unique bone conduction technology that transmits sound through your cheekbones, leaving your ears open to hear the world around you. This innovative design ensures a secure, lightweight fit that's perfect for outdoor activities, offering comfort without the discomfort of earbuds. Built for action. Sweat and rain are no match for the IP67 waterproof rating, making these headphones a reliable companion for intense workouts. Whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, the SHOKZ Open Run stands up to the challenge. However, they're not designed for swimming, so water enthusiasts may need a different option. Reliable battery life. With up to 8 hours of continuous playtime, you'll have plenty of battery life for music, calls, or podcasts. Running short on time. The quick charge feature provides an extra 1.5 hours of use with just 10 minutes of charging, ideal for last-minute sessions. Pros and cons. Pros. Comfortable, secure, open-ear fit. Enhances safety by allowing situational awareness. Sweatproof and waterproof for workouts. Long battery life with a quick charge feature. Cons. Not suitable for swimming. Lack of noise isolation might not suit all users. The SHOKZ Open Run combines safety, comfort, and performance, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who loves staying active while enjoying quality audio. It's a solid investment for fitness-focused individuals who value safety and style. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.